Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon. I guess you're a smartphone hunter then. Well, your timing couldn't be perfect, as I have this amazing mid-range powerhouse with me, the all-new Honor 90 5G. The phone is designed keeping your needs and benefits in mind, enhancing your overall user experience. Let's begin and know more about this masterpiece. The Honor 90's camera is its standout feature that would elevate your photography and videography experience to the next level. With a remarkable 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50 megapixel front camera, it covers all your camera related needs. You'll be able to capture extremely high resolution photos with fine details and achieving exceptional image quality. Simply put, it's a professional camera in your hands. The 50 megapixel front camera with an ultra-wide lens allows you to capture impressive wide-angle group selfies. What truly sets it apart is its ability to simultaneously stream video from two cameras, ensuring multi-video versatility. The phone offers a powerful 4K multicam experience, upgrading your blogging and videography skills. And it's the only phone in its segment currently that allows you to smoothly switch between main, ultra-wide and front cameras while continuously shooting 4K footage. The AI video suggestions add a creative touch, offering dynamic shots based on your frame. Plus, with Samsung ISOCELL sensors, expect exceptional image quality across the board. Whether you're capturing fine details with a 200 megapixel camera or shooting wide-angle selfies with a 50 megapixel front camera, the Honor 90 camera is a powerhouse for photographers and videography enthusiasts. Let's admit people, our screen time these days is simply off the chart because we love being online all the time. Smartphones with frequencies lower than about 1250 Hz are generally harmful for our eyes. And considering our usual screen time, and we surely need a solid solution for this. Honor 90 is here to the rescue. Its AMOLED display with PWM dimming is something that will ensure no eye strain despite being online for long hours. This display adds immense value to your viewing experience with its remarkable 3840 Hz PWM dimming. The phone ensures a flicker-free and secure viewing experience, reducing eye strain, making usage for long durations comfortable and enjoyable. What sets the Honor 90 apart is its commitment to both brightness and eye safety. By operating at such a high PWM frequency, above 3125 Hz, it falls into the zero risk zone, distinguishing it from other flagships as they operate between 0 to 1250 Hz. So, you're all set for those long binge-watching sessions on your favorite OTT app. Honor 90 features a gorgeous 6.7-inch floating AMOLED display. This is undoubtedly one of the best screens in this price segment. With 1600 nits of peak brightness, content consumption becomes easier even on those bright sunny days. The impressive quad curve reduces bezel views from all angles, giving you clear content visuals. The display offers 120 Hz refresh rate, which ensures faster and smoother responses while scrolling through applications or even gaming. Whether watching high-resolution videos or gaming at high settings, the visuals are simply amazing. Powering this marvel is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 5G processor, which is an octa-core chipset with 2.5 GHz of clock speed, meaning your experience will be blazing fast on all your daily usage. This processor is an exclusive accelerated edition, manufactured by advanced 4nm process, offering a next-level performance. Heavy gaming and multitasking will feel like a breeze. This powerful processor enables you to make an easy switch between cameras while recording 4K videos, which is a unique offering within this price segment. From this advanced chipset, experience unparalleled camera capabilities, personalized OS and GPU-enhanced display capabilities which make it a top-notch performer in this segment. The phone features a 5000 mAh battery, powerful enough to last throughout the day. So, say goodbye to low battery anxiety and enjoy uninterrupted performance all day. The phone is available in two variants, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage and the flagship level 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage. With the Honor 90 RAM turbo functionality, get additional 7GB of virtual RAM power, enabling you to get up to 19GB of RAM. This is an amazing feature as you can switch through up to 40 apps simultaneously without facing any lag or slowdown. The phone runs on Magic OS 7.1 based on Android 13, which offers features for data protection and privacy and has additional security features like security chip, note lock and private space. With GPU Turbo X, Honor 90 offers faster, smoother and enhanced gaming experience with a stable frame rate than other smartphones in this category. It has an all-zone cooling drive system which provides additional cooling, precise temperature control and stable heat dissipation. In short, you get an optimal and cool performance even during those heated gaming sessions. Honor 90 is a device built for those who know how to harness the power of AI to enhance their daily experiences while keeping overall well-being a top priority. It is undoubtedly one of the best buys in this price range. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful.